Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Happy New Year's Eve. If that's a thing people say. Can you believe it? The last stream of 2024. What a year it has been. What a year it has been, pandas. I'm by money. We're trading Nascraq every single day live. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you also drop a GM in the chat to let me know you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. I hope your 2024 was amazing. But what I'm hoping for is your 2025 being the best year yet. That's what I'm hoping for. Recapping 2024, I'm not going to lie. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. I'm not going to lie. Pretty hard. Very, very difficile. When it came to trading, at least. It was the year I changed to the Nascraq because the EMINI was just too much. Too choppy. Couldn't handle it. Oh my. But now here we are. Profitable as ever. Train the Nascraq every single day. With the best community on YouTube every single day. I'll tell you what. Though my trading may have suffered, I've learned a lot of lessons. But though my trading has suffered, I'll tell you what hasn't suffered. This community. This community continues to prove over and over again it's the best community on YouTube, verified. It's the best. Pandas, and for a little thank you. $500 giveaway. Today is the last day. We got to reach 100 likes or this opportunity will never come back ever again. And that means that everybody needs to get their cojones together and scalp that like button. Goodness gracious. It's time, pandas. It's time to unite. I really don't think you guys can do it. I don't think you guys can do it. That's why I'm putting the $500 cash prize. Goodness gracious. Maybe we could do like $100. How about that? $100. $100. We're going to break it up to $100 giveaway. 100 $100 giveaways. That's not bad. That ain't that bad. Pandas. It's New Year's Eve, everybody. Can you believe it? It is unbelievable. We are here. We are here. 2025. I can't wait. I think 2025 is going to be the greatest year ever. The greatest year yet. I believe that a lot of you guys are going to have your breakthrough moments. You're going to have your break-even moments. I believe, for those who are not profitable, are going to turn to break-even traders. And those who are break-even traders, you're going to have a breakthrough, and you're going to become profitable. You know what I mean? Goodness gracious. Good morning, everybody. Banali Hawk, good morning. Jameel, good morning. Trader Strick, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. Trader, Day Trader, New York. Hola, Turtle Toast, good morning. Hoping for a profitable 2025. Let's get it. Trader Strick, mucho bamboo till all next year. Bad Boy Advantage, like, appreciate it. Hugh, I think a goal for 2025 should be to lower the like count for giveaways. No way. The goal should be raising the like count. Raising the like count. Oh, we got 90% off. Absolutely right. It ends on January 2nd. It's going to end on Thursday, pandas. We have like no time to do this. We got too many things to announce here. We got 90% off now. Let's get it. 90% off Apex. I gotta add it. Ends on the 2nd, January 2nd. Goodness gracious. You gotta buy it now. If you want, you gotta buy them right now. Goodness gracious. That's crazy. That's just crazy. Lifetime PA fee also $85. The 150K to 300K accounts only 167. And then you gotta take 90% off that, right? Let me see the true price of them. Markets open, pandas. $16.70. Only $16 for the 150K accounts right now, pandas. It's a joke. It's $16. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. $16. $16 for the 100. $16? Hold up. That's all evals now cost 16 cents. Oh, okay, that was the thing. All evals cost $16. 90% off. I mean, that's such a weird way to put it. What's 90% off then? It's not 90% off. It's just all evals are $16. That's crazy. That's a bit crazy. It's not even 90% off. I'm going to get rid of 90%. It's not 90% off. It's better than 90% off. Pandas, that's crazy. That's crazy. Every eval is $16. I think that's the biggest sale yet. I think this is the biggest sale yet. Oh, whoops. This looks terrible. Pan, why didn't you tell me this looks terrible? There we go. Pandas. We have our greatest sale yet. It's better than 90% off. It's $16. Recurring is 80% off. Recurring is 80% off. Wow, pandas. That's ridiculous. I mean, this is the best sale yet. And lifetime fees are $85. What a time to be alive. They're essentially giving you a free $5,000 to trade for $16. You're getting $5,000. You're getting more than five. You're getting about $7,500. Right? 300K accounts, the max drawdown is $7,500. They're essentially giving you $7,500, and all you have to pay is $16 plus the lifetime fee. 16 plus 85, basically $100 to receive $7,500. That's insane, pandas. I mean, what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. I mean, this is better than Bitcoin. This deal that you get here is better than Bitcoin. It's actually crazy. Use code BBM. Please. Please. I mean, that is crazy. $16? $16, pandas? For any account? That's insane, actually. They're essentially saying, here's for $100, we'll give you, what, 2,000? Whatever account you use. If you get the 50K account, then they're basically saying, hey, for $16, for $100, we'll give you $2,000, right? Because they're essentially funding you the drawdown, right? That's kind of how much money they're actually giving you. We're near the top of a trading range here. We're going to set them a pause. But pandas, can you believe this promo right now? That's absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay, feels like entry long here. I'm gonna let this shake out because we're in the middle of a big trading range right now. Let me go over some of the chats here. MX 2025, it all comes together for major profits and success for all. I feel it. Jamie and Lewis, Apex is 90% off right now. NJ Apex is trolling us with that promotion. 6 Bino. Bro, how can you apply one trade in 4 accounts? It's something called Replicanto. You can see the link in the description. Use code BBN20 for 20% off. He said, I purchased some new evals. They're so stingy with the 90% off. I wonder why. I wonder why. 6 Spinoza says, but happening in 1 sec. Yeah. It happens pretty much instantaneously, as fast as your computer can handle it. Trading range right now. So be careful. Be careful here. George Connors, 300K counts for, yes, absolutely. 300K counts for $16, pandas. That's absolutely insane. It's actually insane. Happy New Year's, everybody. New Year's promo. Most likely filling the gap on the 5-minute chart, right? There's a gap here, right? Close here, opens here, and there's a little gap. Most likely we'll fill it. And from the looks of this, it looks like it wants to push down. We shall see. Pretty much the market opened and closed at the exact same spot yesterday. Okay. Fills the gap here. It kind of looks like it wants to push down, though. I don't know. Wow. It's tumbling. Surely tumbling. Going to the previous day's close. Sorry, 2 days closes ago. Actually, what am I saying? Yeah, previous day's close. It is previous day's close. Wow. Wow. We were in complete trading range and it breaks out. Breaks down. See, it's so hard to tell the difference between a breakdown and a failed breakdown. They look so similar when it happens. Goodness gracious. Setting my pause. Okay, we're just chilling around the previous day's close right now. Quick look at the daily chart. What nonsense do we see here? Okay, we broke the trend line. Weekly chart, just a small pullback on the weekly chart. Are we going to end this year with a bang or not, pandas? That's the question. That is the question today. Are we going to end this year with a bang or not? Let me figure out what's going on here. What is going on? This looks gross. Strong bear bar ending on its low. First 5-minute bar. Right, here's your first 5-minute bar. Strong bear bar ending on its low. That's your first bar on the 5-minute chart. Sorry, second bar on the 5-minute chart. Ah, interesting. Are we have follow through is the question. I do not know. It looks like it wants to drop more. Right, this setup, I mean, this like structure looks like it wants to continue to go down. Right, tough time breaking above the 20 MA. Gets pushed down multiple times. It looks like it wants to continue to go down. What can I say? Huh. But it is New Year's. It is New Year's. I don't know if that means much, but it is New Year's. Got a second just short for me here. 500 tick chart. I'm gonna sit on my pause. Absolutely no idea what's happening right now. I want to wait for this 5-minute bar to finish. I think I'm gonna trade accordingly to that. It's currently a pause bar on the 5-minute chart. Right, this 5-minute strong bear bar ending near its low. Pause bar. We don't really get anywhere from here. And then from after this bar, especially if the bar is small, most likely it will shoot to the downside. Most likely. We shall see. For a second, just short here. Trap does trigger, but the trap looks like it's going to fail. It's too much overlap here. Nothing much you can do at this point. You're better off selling up here rather than trying to trade the breakout. Look at all these wicks. The 500 tick chart is just absolutely chop. It will chop you up. We're at 23 likes now, Pandas. I'm kind of a little worried. I feel like we might actually hit our like goal. We got 70 concurrent viewers, 23 likes already. We're already a quarter of the way there. And the market just opened. Okay, we're pushing down. Second just short does work out eventually. Just too choppy, though, for me. So many times I've seen this, right? Super strong push down, go sideways for a while, and then it just really chops you up for a long time. I've seen this too many times. Look, are you only trading Apex, or are you looking to check some other prop firms? 25. Only trading Apex right now. I mean, Apex has treated me well, and the way I trade, it's just like it doesn't matter like their rules because it's just the way I trade. I trade like 1 contract, sometimes 2, max 4 contracts, and you know that's just how I trade, anyways. I like to scalp, right? I like to go in and out of trades. I don't like when there's time limits on trades. I know some prop firms do that. It makes me pretty much trade the way I like to. The one thing I don't like right now is that the safety net rule currently. But I could live with it. I can live with it. To me, it's more of a, more of a challenge. More of a challenge for myself. You know what I mean? I want to become that guy. I want to become that panda. Consistently profitable. I want people to come to the stream for free and just enjoy the content, trade together, and hopefully make some bamboo. I want to be that panda. I want to be that channel. And I believe we're getting there. I believe 2025 will be the year. Will be the year for that. This accumulation of all of the mistakes and all the lessons I've learned hopefully comes together and I make some sense of it. We can use your code for 90% also? Yes, absolutely. All evals, only $16. It's not even 90% off. It's better than 90% off. High or low? Interesting. Patrick Wyland cashed out 600K from Apex like a week ago. That's funny. That's funny. That's really funny. That's hilarious. Now the jokes are over. Let's get to real trading. Let's get back to real trading. We are on a major point here. Could be a big old trading range day today. I mean, we got so much overlap. Typically, you stay away from this. Typically, what you do is you actually sell up here. Try to come back down here. That's like actually what you would want to do. So much chop right now. Like, I'm not trading the breakouts anywhere. In fact, I'm probably looking towards a failed breakout. Maybe come back down into this nonsense here. Feels like an inch short, though I like it. I don't love it. So much overlap. Outside bar reversal as well. We're pushing up though. Sitting on my pause. Very interesting price action right now. I think it's pretty much showing us this cards. We need the market to show us its hand. Sometimes it gives us a sneak peek of what it wants to do. Sometimes it tricks us. Interesting. Oh, that was gonna keep going down. Right, that second inch is short here. That's this trap ends up working out decently well. I think I'm just gonna stare at this market. I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade. A bit confused here. It's a channel. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Hope you had an amazing 2024. Thanks for joining, everyone. Today we got a $500 giveaway. Absolutely amazing. Gotta get to 100 likes, though. Everyone, make sure you scalp that like button. Today, if there's going to be a day you scalp that like button, today is that day. You know what I mean? Might as well. Might as well. If it's going to be a day, might as well be today. I think I'm going to break it up to $100 because It gives more. It gives a chance for more people to win. I lose the same amount of money. I don't care. But it gives you 5 chances to win, you know? And that's not pretty. That's not bad. Right now, that's about. You got about 5% chance to win, pretty much. For free. For free. All you need to do is scalp that like button. Alright, pandas. Here we go. Okay. I mean, we're choppy. I could be cheeky here. Take advantage of the fact that we know the market cycle right now. Take advantage of the fact we know the market cycle. Is it time to be cheeky here? It's the question. I'm just sitting on my pause. I don't feel confident in anything right now. Decent push down. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ah. Doesn't react off the 20 EMA really. I wanted to see if it reacted off the 20 EMA, but it just closed away beneath it. I was considering possibly buying off the 20 EMA here. Oh, this market's wild and it's absolutely wild and right now. All right. Is this a place to take a fail second entry long? I don't know. Absolutely no idea. Interesting. Oh, wow. You know what? This trend line, I thought this was a 240 SMA. It's actually my trend line I drew way back here. It actually bounced off this trend line. I didn't realize that. All right. That's kind of funny. I thought it was a 240 SMA. That's why it's important to recognize. Wow. Wow, what a choppy market. Just chops up here. Very hard to like figure out what's going on here. By the way, pandas, tomorrow markets are closed, but on Thursday, we do have news. I want you to be aware. We do have news at 8:30. Unemployment claims 8:30. So if you like to trade pre-market, just be aware around that time you might get a big move. You might get a big move. Sometimes it does move the markets. It's been doing it more often these days. I think the market's more sensitive to unemployment numbers these days, for the obvious reason that it can affect the Fed funds rate. Right now, everyone's looking at the Fed funds rate. Everyone's trying to figure out what's happening. The Fed said that they're not going to lower the interest rates as many times as they plan to after they saw the inflation tick up in 2025, right? They had a certain amount of inflation cuts next year, but I think now they like reduced it down to 2. So the market took a dive. But a lot of people are calling their bluff. A lot of people are saying, no, that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. They're going to lower interest rates as much as possible because obviously they want to pump the markets up. Every presidency wants to pump the market up. Interesting. Yeah, we're pushing down for sure. I do not think this trend line is going to hold. I believe it's going to break down. Looking at the 5-minute chart, this structure right now looks very bearish. It looks like it wants to push down pretty hard, in my opinion. I mean, it looks like it wants to push down again, like pretty hard. Looking at the structure of the 5-minute chart, it looks like it wants to push down. Or limit order market. Jeez, what in the world's happening? Just goes to show these markets are difficult. Today is New Year's, pandas. Are we gonna get fireworks today? Is the question. Are we getting fireworks today? Is the question, pandas. Hugh says recession time. You know what? Every metric tells us we should enter a recession. Right? The moment the yield curve inverted, that was the ticking time bomb of within 3 years, we should have a recession, a bad recession too. For how much it inverted like the most it has ever inverted in like history, all of history. Can you believe that? Okay, we're just bouncing around. I mean, should I try to trade off of this trend line that we have way back here? I mean, should I try? This looks bearish to me. And the fact that when we bounced off of it, we didn't get very high. In fact, we got to the bottom of this trading range, right? If we drew a trading range here, we basically got to the bottom of this trading range and bounced off of it, right? Basically, breakdown retest at this point. We're acting as support, not acting as resistance. Pandas. Truly, no clue what's happening. But pandas, I'll tell you what I know what's happening. We have a $500 giveaway, 5 $100 giveaways for 100 likes. Make sure you scalp that like, but we're almost halfway there. We're not even halfway done with our streaming sesh. That's good news, pandas. I think we're gonna get there today. I think with your powers combined, we can get there. I'll tell you what, pandas. If you want to be part of the drawing, you gotta chat, right? There's a online app or website, whatever, that finds a random person in the chat. So that means you have to have chatted at least a letter, anything, one entry, and then it'll comb through all the chats, and it'll find one person. And it doesn't matter how many chats you do. Every person has an equal amount. It doesn't matter how many chats you do. You just need to chat something. Say hi, good morning, happy New Year's Eve, something. Anything. Bamboo Rooskies. Oh yeah. Also, you gotta know the password. We'll have a password. All right. So I gotta make sure you guys are watching the stream. We'll have a password, and I'll say the password at 10 o'clock. How about that? We'll have a password at 10 o'clock. You got to remember the password. So when we ask you, When we ask you the password, if you win, you gotta know it. I'll remind you the password a couple times. So it's not people just jumping on the end of the stream. You know what I mean? We gotta have people who are actually watching. And I'll set the password around 10 o'clock. That's when like the stream is probably the most popular. Most people are on. Safe word is harder. You guys are wild. You guys are little kids. You guys have the brains of immaturity of a 5-year-old. Maybe a 6-year-old. Maybe. I don't know what to make of this. We're in a triangle. I'm not gonna trade this breakout. Whatever. Just let it go without me. I care less. For me, I rather take a trade where I know what's happening. This is very confusing actually. It's price action. The 5-minute is obviously showing signs of limit order market right now. I may want to sell somewhere up here. Maybe off the 20 MA, I may try to sell it. Maybe. I'll put the password up. I'll probably do it now. I'll do it again like maybe 10:15. I'll do it again at 10:30. And then that's it. I think that's plenty, right? That's plenty. I think that's plenty. The password. Giving it to you guys 3 times during stream. We got an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Inside bar 5-minute chart. Pushes up again here. Push down. Look at the 5-minute chart, right? We got an OI pattern. Means the market's confused. Wants to break out one way or the other. Like I mentioned, we're in a triangle here. We might bounce off the top of it. That's why I didn't want to take this trap here. Trap's failing currently. Amazingly, you're still in this trap though. Amazingly, you're still in this trap. First trade of the stream. Let's try here. Let's go short. I think it'll trigger the second entry short on the 2500 tick chart. I think it is also a failed trap here. And we're bouncing off the top of this triangle. Hopefully back to the bottom here. If we do enter this trade. Oh geez. I got in a little early there. Almost took me out right away. Almost took me out right away. Almost took me out right away. We'll hold. We'll hold. Okay. I was wrong. I thought we were going to come back down. I mean, this trap failed so many times. But now, if it does trigger here, it's a second entry long. Quite a lot of pressure here. Building up to shoot to the upside. I'm fine with this, though. I'm fine with the loss here. We have good risk reward. That's the key thing here. If we do win this, we make a lot of bamboo. If we lose it, we lose a few, but the reward is good enough for me to try this. Oh, man. All right. We get knocked out. Yikes. Interesting. This is why I'm saying today it's a difficult day. Look at that. Look at that nonsense. All right. Wow. How frustrating is that? But build up a lot of pressure. Wow. If you were in this second entry short, fail second entry short, you just got saved so many times. That rarely happens, pandas. That rarely happens. Usually when I'm on the other side of this, where I'm long here, and then this will just rip my face off so many times. This is the one time it doesn't do that. It's like you got saved so many times. It's actually ridiculous, but amazing. Amazing if you went long there. Congrats. I did the thing that's most probable, but nice push up. All right. What is our password? What should our password be? Our password is going to be easy peasy. Password is easy peasy. I'm going to pin it for a while, okay? You got to know this password if you want to win. If you want to be eligible to win one of the $500 giveaways. Easy peasy. It's that easy, pandas. It's that easy. It does pop up. It doesn't get very far. And pushes back down. Cool. Very cool. Very interesting. Very interesting. Huh. What do we do here? What's my record? 0-1 right now? (0-1) record. Limit order market. Am I better off just selling somewhere up here? Lower high. Lower high almost looks juicy, but now we got to worry about this trend line here. Okay, lower high pushes. Looks pretty juicy, that lower high. I'm assuming it's cap sensitive, this password. No, it's not cap sensitive. You can spell it different ways, whatever way you want to spell it. I like to just use easy peasy just because it's the quickest way to write it. I don't care if you don't know how to spell it. It's just the word itself. Let's say like you're not even on the chat. You're just listening. Right. Password is too weak. I have to give multiple passwords, huh? All right, how about this is one of 3 passwords. One of 3 passwords. Wow. What a push. Bill 7 says, Happy New Year's from the Philippines. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for joining, everybody. Pushing down, like I mentioned, it looked like it wanted to push down further. We are on this trend line again. Showing some bounce. Showing some bounce here. I don't know. Pushing up very hard now. Very hard. Okay. I don't know if today's a day for this. I feel like I'm gonna get chopped up if I try. I really feel like I get chopped up if I try here. Of course, the day I don't try, it's easily scalps out. Whatever. Whatever. Loco, good luck, Panda. Worked a night shift. Gonna sleep. If I win it, save it for me. But sorry. I mean, you gotta be here for it. But hey, thanks for joining. Get some good rest. Happy New Year's. We're 0-1 right now. Can we get a good trade is a question. I want a good setup. I mean, is today are we just crashing now or what? Are we still in a trading range type situation? Lower highs, lower lows currently. Just sitting on my pause. I already got chopped up here. And I waited a while. I waited for many failures to the upside here. And it just wasn't it. Okay, decent push down. Okay. Okay. Ah. Limit order bulls rushing in here. What in the world? If I showed you the 5-minute chart right now, you'll say it's absolutely insane. 5-minute chart, just strong bear bar ending on its low, and it's just no follow through whatsoever. Absolutely insane. I gotta try a second to short here, no? I gotta try a second to short here, no? Surely a second to short here, no? Surely. Surely a second to short works here, no? Okay, we're just in this trade.
Target
We
filled.
scalped out in like 1 millisecond. We scalped us so fast. I'll take it. I don't mind scalping out that fast. I'm currently 1-1. If you can scalp out that quick, sure, take it. Lower high. Are we just looking for lower lows, lower highs now? All the way down? I could try. But I feel like I'm better off selling limit order still. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Lower highs, lower lows. Is this today's market cycle today, though? It's just decent bull bars. Decent bull bars. I'm afraid I cannot do this right now. Pushing above the 20 MA now. Double top here. Let's see what happens at this pivot. Curious. Gilbert Medina, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. We'll keep the password up until 10:30. How about that? We'll take it off at 10:30. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. We are so close. We have 92 concurrent viewers. I believe we can hit the 100 like goal. Everyone needs to scalp that like button, though. Everyone needs to partake. We're more than halfway there. $500 giveaway. Today's the last day we're going to do this. Okay. High or low? Big push up. Big push up. I'm thinking it fails like I just short here. This could be a breakout retest as well. It's a really big trend line here. Okay. Limit order bears coming in here. Very interesting. Okay. Limit order bears coming right on time as well. Coming right on time, those limit order bears. It's a nice looking trap trade though. I'm gonna try this. I'll reverse it. If it fails, I'll reverse it. If this trap fails, I'll reverse it. But it's just a good looking trap trade. Like aesthetically, I'm gonna try here. Okay, it's looking less and less nice. It looks like there's a lot of force going to the downside. We'll attempt this. We'll see. We're gonna try to get some good bamboo on this one. We'll try to get decent bamboo on this one. A 1-to-1. Hopefully a 1-to-1 can hit. We might not get much more than the 1-to-1. 1-to-1 doesn't even hit here. So I'd rather lose this trade than win it at less than 1-to-1 at this point. I mean, 5-minute chart looks bearish. I don't know, what can I say? 5-minute chart looks bearish. 5-minute chart does look bearish here. Can I skunk this? It won't even let me skunk.
Target filled.
I'm skunking it. The 5-minute chart looks bearish to me. I'm going to stay away from this right now. It looks quite bearish to me, actually. The 5-minute chart here. In fact, it looks like it wants to push down pretty hard. Okay, never mind. Jeez. The 5-minute chart looked bearish. The 5-minute chart looked like it wants another push down, right? It looks like it wants 2 legs down. I'm waiting for the second leg to happen on the 5-minute chart. Usually when it breaks down like this, you have one more leg down. So I'm waiting for that second leg down, but obviously, I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. We might get a second leg down. Might be just much later. But the 1-to-1 was met at least. Looks like the 1-to-2 will be met as well. I'm getting spooked out of my trades, in and out of my trades here. I'm not gonna count that as a win or loss. I'm gonna count that as a skunk. I mean, that was a skunk essentially. The 1-to-2 was met, almost. 1-to-2 is met. Absolutely insane. I mean, that is just my weakness. I just saw the 5-minute chart. I just kept looking at it. This felt bearish to me. And I didn't want to be an opposite. I want some confluence. Could have made that 1-to-2. Jeez. I guess also what spooked me was the fact that trap didn't set off right away. It actually had another pullback, and then set off again. So typically when traps don't just go the one way you want it to go, they usually fail, right? When traps fail, they fail. They fail hard. But does not seem to be the case this time. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Pandas, we have $100. We have $500 giveaway. $100. Today's the last day we're gonna do it. And all you need to do is scalp that like button. And if you want to partake in the actual drawing, you need to make sure you put something in the chat. You gotta say hello, happy new year, something. Anything. And also, if you win, you gotta know the password. Currently, the password's pinned in the chat. It's easy peasy. And I'm gonna take that password off at 10:30. So if you just join at the end, just so you can join on the giveaway, we will know. We will know. But I guess if one person knows it, then it only really applies to the first person. Keeps pushing up here. This was tough. This was tough. It's grinding up now. I got spooked out of my mind out of that trade. I should have held, huh? My charts are looking very messy right now. Let's clear it up a little bit. Let's reassess, reevaluate what has happened. The thing is, $100 goes a long ways, especially if you're not from the U.S. If you're from another country, that $100 is like $1,000 to you. It's absolutely insane. Wow. What a push up. What a push up. Okay. Unfortunately, I couldn't hold it. My cojones weren't strong enough for that. I hate the fact that it had to reverse another pullback. It is what it is, though. $100. You know how many Apex evals you can buy with $100? How many could you buy? I don't even know. 30. At least 6. At least 6, right? That's a lot of evals. Huh. I'm down 190. It's not the worst. It's more the fact that I was in a good trade and I didn't hold it. I didn't hold it. It's more the fact I was in a good trade. I just could not hold it. I thought we were going to get another push down on the 5-minute chart. I was absolutely wrong. Right? When we saw the strong bear bar, I thought we'd have one more push down. It felt a little incomplete. But it looks like I'm wrong. I'm wrong about that. Maybe you can consider it as a wedge of some sort. 3 pushes down. Reversing here. And the reversal is grindy. Grindy out of its mind. It's trickling upwards. Don't forget today's New Year's. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. You can get 5. Is it only 5? No way. Divided by 16.7. Ah, it's almost 6. It is 5, though. Technically, it is 5. I forgot it's 16.7. It's 16.7, not 16 exactly. Yeah, they got to make the bots smarter. The bots need to learn how to scalp that like button. We're at 69 likes. Perfect. I'm giving away $500 today, pandas. I mean, the least you could say is Happy New Year's. You know what I mean? $500 of my precious bamboo. What a push, what a push. What a push. The problem is, like, it's hard to enter in this as well, right? We were in an uptrend, but it's hard to enter this uptrend at any point in time. Now, anywhere in here you don't feel very confident entering long because of how choppy it is all the way up. If I want to be cheeky, I could try to buy with a limit order down here somewhere. If I want to be cheeky. Do I want to be cheeky, though, is a question. We're currently at this triple pivot point. 1, 2, 3 hits here. Essentially 1, 2, 3 hits here. Okay, breaks through. To buy or not to buy? That is the question. At this point, if you enter any trade, just scalp in and out. You don't really hold it, right? You just want to scalp in and out at this point. Tries to break out, no follow through. BK Trading, Happy New Year. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining, everybody. Are we going to hit it? We're only, what, 17 likes away? 27 likes away? It's so close. I'm going to soon take the password off. Remember, you got to know the password. If you don't know the password, pandas, you can't win. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, wait, wait. The market just flushed. Market just flushed. What just happened, pandas? Market just flushed? Was that the giveaway flush? Did the giveaway cause that flush? We flushed. Flash flush. We're going lower. Are we going lower? Lower high here? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Get back to the previous day's close, maybe? I'm gonna try something here. We flushed super hard, and now we have another leg down after that flush. The flush was a trap. Oh boy, is the flush a trap? The flush is a trap. It looks trappy. Having a tough time really pushing down here. I gotta learn how to hold my trades, no? Well, I'm holding this one, pandas. You gotta learn how to hold your trades sometime. I'm holding this one.
Target filled.
I'm too scared. I'm too scared. I'd rather take the second inch short if it does trigger. Give me a second inch short. I'll take the second short, whatever. What in the world was that flush? This flush was just a trap. The flush was a trap. Okay, second inch short. Was that what I was waiting for? The second inch short this whole time? It is second inch short. Alright. I'm assuming this flush was a trap. It's also a flag, a small flag here. I don't know. It looks like a flag here. It looks like it wants to push down. I don't know. We'll attempt this. We'll see what happens. Quick scout, maybe. Hopefully. Yeah, I want a failure. This isn't a flush down, huh? It's gonna flush down? Does it want to flush down now? Most likely wants to push down now. If this trap fails, we're going in and out of the 20 EMA now at this point. Getting chopped up here. tough trade, but it looks bearish now, right? This looks bearish. This looks like it wants to push down. It looks like this triangle is not going to hold very long, and we're dead. Yeah, dang it. Failed trap again. Man, I gotta calm down. I knew that was gonna happen. I absolutely knew that was gonna happen. I absolutely knew that was gonna happen, pandas. You know what? I absolutely knew that was gonna happen. That's ridiculous. All right, pandas, we're not gonna let that happen again. I absolutely knew that was gonna happen. We're 1-2. Today may be my first losing day in the last like 10 days. Ugh. Three loss differential, perhaps. We can look for that. Ooh, let me take off this pin. If you don't know the password by now, Panda, it's time you write an email complaint to YouTube shadow banning you because there has to be a lot of people streaming right now, especially with 20K subs. Exactly. Exactly. Are you guys? It's time to confuse the chat on what the password is. If you guys are just joining, I believe everyone's gonna gatekeep the password, but there's a password if you want to win the giveaway. We do hit the previous day's close. Bouncing off of it currently. Boy, oh boy. I know today. I know what kind of day today is. It's one of those days. Just gotta stay calm. Stick to the rules. Stick to the rules and you'll be fine. The password is Ronda Rousey. That should have been the password. Ronda Rousey. Where's YL at? YL's the one always complaining about giveaways. I absolutely knew that was going to drop, pandas. I do not know why. I do not know why I went long here. I absolutely knew that was going to drop. What was I thinking? What was I thinking, pandas? I knew that was going to drop 100%. Jeez Louise, what was I thinking? It's going to drop again, is the question? I don't know. We're pretty much at the previous day's close, and we might just hang out here for a while. Second just short. I don't love it, but I could try. I don't love it, but I could try. Just because we're bouncing up the trend line and also the 20 MA. But right in the middle of a trading range, to be honest. Could be one of those choppy days. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? You're supposed to continue to go down. Where are you going? What in the world was that? Hit the 1-to-1. It just bounced off of it perfectly. And I got to skunk it now. This is reversing. Where are you going? Alright, whatever. I had to skunk it because it made the 1-to-1 it reversed. Basically treating it like a runner. I'm treating my... Today's not the day for runners, huh? Today we gotta just take the scalp. We're just taking the 1-to-1 scalps from now on. Alright, pandas. New rule, 1-to-1 scalps. That's all we're doing. I skunked about 4,000 trades today. Pandas, we're at 77 likes. That means we need only 23 likes to hit the giveaway goal. Password is nutty. That would be absolutely nutty. Big push here. Okay. Good skunk. Giveaway will be at 10:45, Pandas. You guys have about 5 minutes to reach the goal. What a shame it would be if you don't reach it now when you're only 23 likes away. Absolutely ridiculous. I believe. 78 likes. We're so close. We are so close. Okay. I'm gonna just do something a little silly here. Okay. I guess not. $80 likes, Pandas. We're 20 likes away. We absolutely can do it. Absolutely can do this. We're just loving the previous day's close right now. We're loving this area. Keep coming back through, in and out of it. I may just sell, buy somewhere down here and take advantage of the fact that I know that most likely we'll come back to the previous day's close sometime. 83 likes, Pandas. We're so close. 17 more likes, and we have the viewership, Pandas. We have the viewership. We have the viewership. We absolutely can do this. We got about 2 more minutes, Pandas. We have 2 more minutes. Can it be done? Can it be done? We need everyone right now. We need everyone right now to hold hands and scalp that like button together. That's what we need right now. interesting. 14 likes, Pandas. You got 2.5 minutes. Or you got 1.5 minutes. 14 likes, Pandas. 1.5 minutes. I believe. I believe. Pandas, you have until 10:45. And you need 14 more likes. Here's the clock. You got 1 minute left. Absolutely insane. 12 more likes for 1 minute. Is it possible? 12 more likes. 10 more likes. That's all we need. 10 more likes, Pandas. We got 45 seconds. Pandas, we need 10 more likes in the next 30 seconds. 9 more likes. Can we hit it? 30 seconds left. Pandas, I believe. I'm keeping an eye on the like count. We got 6 more likes in 20 seconds. Game-winning drive. Can we do it? Can we do it? 4 more likes in 15 seconds. Pandas, 10 seconds left to get 4 likes. Pandas, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. 96 likes. 96 likes. We couldn't do it. Pandas. I can't tell you how disappointed I am. I'm telling you, I really wanted it. That is insane. That's like getting tick-shotted. You guys just tick-shotted yourself. You guys tick-shotted yourself? And I have no idea why. I have no idea why. All you had to do was scalp that likey button. That's all you had to do, Pandas. That's all you had to do. We're at 98 likes. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. I'm actually shocked we didn't make it. We were so close, too. You just pulled the Arizona. Pandas, how close can you get? We needed 4 more likes. Four people out in the universe couldn't scalp that like button. If we had over 100 viewership, I don't get it. That's crazy. That's crazy. You guys tick-shotted yourself. You guys absolutely tick-shotted yourself. I don't know why. You're so close. I did everything in my power. I reminded you many times. I did everything in my power to give you guys money. I just can't do it anymore. You guys don't want money. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We missed it. We missed it. It's a shame. It's a shame. I'm sorry for those who are watching, expecting to make some bamboo. We're at 99 likes now. A little too late. A little too late. A little too late. Thinking of overtime, but the overtime you have to get to like 120 likes. That's 100. Just create 3 new accounts and like the video. change it to 50 likes for every whiskey challenge. Gotta drink 50 shots. We are loving the previous day's close here. We really can't get away from it. That far away from it. Down 530. Didn't hit the like goal. Man, what a way to end the year. I'm a little disappointed, Pandas. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little disappointed. We were close, though. We're absolutely so close. And, man, I'm telling you, I wanted it. I wanted to give it to you guys. Sorry. I'm sorry it didn't happen. What do we have here right now? I don't even know. I'm pretty sure I can scout my way out of this hole right now, though. Pretty sure I can scout my way out of this hole. We're hitting this trend line a couple times. All right, pushing down. I'm pretty sure I can scout my way out of this hole. Let's all of a sudden we decide to just crash right now. Let's see if we crash. Huh. Interesting. Pushing back up to previous day's close. Pretty certain I can scout my way out of this hole. Pretty certain here. We just love the previous day's close, huh? Pandas, I'm sorry. I wanted it. I wanted it. At least we got 90% off. Okay. It's wacky. It's wacky. This is wacky. I guess today's not the day. Choppy day. Pandas. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Hope you guys had an amazing year. We will come back. Remember, take advantage of code BBM for Apex. Ah, man. Should we restart it up? Should we restart it up? Restart it up. 120 likes. 120 likes, 11 o'clock. 120 likes, 11 o'clock. Pandas, I'm giving you one more chance. Overtime, can we do it? We need 120 likes by 11 o'clock, Pandas. I'm making the clock big. Just so we all know what time it is. Game time. What time is it? Game time. Pandas! I believe! I believe! Breaking. How far away are we really going to get away from the previous day's close? How far away are we really going to get away from it? That's the question. Pandas. Pandas. I'm giving you one more chance overtime. One more chance overtime. 120 likes. Sudden death. We got to get there by 11. I believe. I believe. How far away are we really going to get away from the previous day's close? Let's see here. It's going to act as a strong magnet here. Nah, I mean it's overtime. Yeah, you got to get more likes for overtime. It's like a game of football. Sudden death. $120. Pandas, I'll give you guys one more chance to hit it. One more chance, and it's a stretch. But because I'm giving overtime, let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, if we can't do it, we can't do it. I tried. I tried already. I tried. Rules are the rules. This day of trading is not it, though. I'll tell you that. Trading itself right now is not it. It's not it. Hey, we're only 16 likes away. 16 likes away. How far away are we really going to get away from the previous day's close is the question. Oh, baby food. This is probably annoying, but can you explain your strat? All right. Actual trading question. Absolutely amazing. You know what? I'll stay for some whiskey. I'll do some whiskey. Let's end the year. Ooh. Ooh. One second. Like I said, how far away are we really going to get away from the previous day's close? Get that trading talk out of here. Why are you talking about trading right now? You think this is some trading channel? You're ridiculous. At 11 o'clock, no matter what, we'll drink some whiskey. We'll celebrate. End of the new year. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to do something a little bit silly. It's absolutely limit order market, though, today. Why, oh, why? Why, oh, why? Smoke a bunt. Well, baby food, welcome in. We trade pure price action. Pure price action. Ooh. I could try. I could try to get a little teeny scalp here. Let's try to get a little scalpy scalp. Possibly last trade of 2024. Could be a big loser. Could be a big winner. On a day like today, should we be trading breakouts right now? It's trying. It's trying. It's absolutely trying. Little gap down. Take it. Hold! Hold! Little inside bar here. Hopefully flush to the downside now. Little pop down, little pops down. Need more than that though. Need a little more than that. Come on. A little more than that. Okay, strong bear bar ending near its low. Can we get to it? Can we get... No reason to die for a couple ticks here. No reason to die for a couple ticks. I'll take it. No reason to die in a couple ticks, especially on a super choppy day. We made 14 points on that. 14 points is not bad. No reason to die though. No reason to like lose that trade for a couple ticks, right? I wanted like a couple more points, but on a super choppy day like today, I'll take it. I'll take that any day. Pandas, good news today. Code BBM gets you $16 any eval, and it's a lifetime $85 PA fee. Ends on January 2nd. Absolutely amazing deal right now. Absolutely insane deal right now. What I would do is stock up. Stock up on, I mean, if you're a baller, stock up on like 40 of them. Oh, now we get our flush. Now we get the flush. I've been looking for a long time, this flush. Finally get a flush here. Been waiting for it all day. But really, how much are we going to flush here? We're going to flush. We're going to bounce back up here. How much are we really going to flush on a day like today? It's so choppy all day today. I mean, is this the breakdown is the question. Is this the breakdown is the question. Huge push down, some follow through now. Okay. The question is this the breakdown here? Are we are in breakdown mode. I do not want to go long in any situation right now. It would have to be a very convincing long if I were to go long. Or you could be an absolute madman, just go long right now. Absolute madman, just go long. If you're an absolute madman, you just go long right now. We're trying to take a lower high. We're going to scalp this out here. Thinking it's going to break the previous candle's low. Unless limit order bulls come rushing in here. Which might be what's happening. Limit order bulls rushing in here. Absolutely insane. It's going to hurt a little bit, but it's all good. I think it's a decent trade to try to take here. You're thinking strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Little bit of follow through. Breaking the previous candle's low. You're thinking a little bit of follow through to break down and give you a quick scalp. That's what you're thinking. That's what at least I'm thinking. Having a tough time doing it though. Yeah, this doesn't take me out, huh? Yeah, when it starts to look like that, it's game over. You already know. You already know you're dead. When it starts to look like that, you already know you're dead. Second, just short forming here. Absolute limit order bulls just come rushing in there. It's insane. Actually insane. Let me try one more time. I'm going to try to go shorter one more time here. It's in midair. We'll attempt one more time here. Thinking we're going to push down here. Or has the market already shown his cards and telling us we're not breaking down anywhere. We're going to be choppy. We're coming right back up to the previous day's close. It's telling us that. What is it telling us? I don't know. Crazy. Absolutely craziness. Oh my goodness. That's absolutely craziness. I'm going to surrender this. I just wanted a little bit more bamboo. That's all I wanted. A little bit more bamboo. That's all I wanted. Could come up break even here. Might as well.
Target filled.
Coming out break even. That's just absolutely insane. This price action. I almost get stopped out. I almost get stopped out on that trade. I think in the back of my mind, I'm thinking we're going to come way back up all the way to the previous day's close. It's hard to hold there. I think it feels like a tree short here if we get one. Pan has 120 likes. It's not possible, huh? All right, feels like an entry short. Here we go. Let's lock it in. Absolutely insane, this price action. Let's just be patient here, pandas. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Expanding pattern. Wow. What a push down and what a push back up. Getting probably back to the previous day's close. Like, I wouldn't even be surprised. Second just short triggers, but not interested. This is dead. This downturn's dead. Expanding pattern? Maybe. Maybe back to the bottom. Expanding pattern. One pause bar. What's going on here? What's going on? Interesting. We're really breaking down today. Down 420. What does that tell you? Tells me I need to get better. That's all it tells me. What is going on here? All right, one more trade of the stream. Last trade of the stream. Let's get it. Last trade. Oh, that is confusing. That is confusing to the maximum. What is happening? Dare I just buy at the bottom here? Dare I just buy it? Pushing up. Limit order market, obviously, right now. Do we do the obvious thing, though? Do we do the obvious thing here? Oh my goodness. I don't quite get to the bottom here. We're testing the top of this again. Is this a day to go to war is the question. Is today the day to go to war? New Year's resolutions? Actually, a good question. What's a good New Year's resolution? Should we just get to 120 likes? 11:30, 120 likes. All right, we'll try. We'll try something here. Last trade of the stream. I don't even know how many I've skunked today. I'm 2-2 though. I don't know how many trades I've skunked today. Pushing down, maybe to the bottom of this trading range. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Ho ho. The range will make you deranged. Seriously. What is happening here? Breakout trade is my last trade of the stream. It don't make sense. But here we go. Most nonsense trade. If I take this long, it literally is nonsense. Alright, I gotta take a trade after this breakout. We need to break out of this diamond. Okay, pushing up. Okay, failed to break out that way. Okay. Inside bar on the 2500 tick chart. Huh. Take one more trade this New Year's Eve. Okay. OI pattern here. Which way will we break on this OI pattern? This will be my last trade of the stream here. Last trade of 2024, pandas. We doing it. Last trade of 2024. It's gonna be a banger. All right, we're in. Absolute banger here. Last trade of this of 2024. Let's see if we can get it.
Target filled.
Pandas! Pandas. Last trade of 2024 was a banger. We're green now after that trade. It just took a long time to break this stupid diamond. I mean, we're in a downtrend. We go with trend. Oh, wow, I tick shot at the market, didn't I? I hit that perfectly. I tick shot at the market right there, pandas. You saw it right here. Pandas, unfortunately, we did not hit that light gold today. I wish we did. Maybe I'll celebrate. How about this, pandas? Let's do it anyways. Let's do it anyways right now. $500. 5 $100 giveaways for those who stuck around to the end. That was the trick, pandas. That was the trick. To see who would stick around to the very end. And now we are here. Pandas, don't forget. There is a password you need to know. And not only that, make sure you type something in the chat. Say hello, say Happy New Year, say anything. Say Bambarooskies, whatever it takes. But we're going to do the $500 giveaway right now, pandas. Let's get it. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready? Give me a second to set it all up. Also, I got to grab some whiskey. Here we go. Pandas, I'm sorry about that. You guys got to say something in the chat now. I'm going to give you guys about 5 minutes to put something in the chat. It's collecting. You only get 1 entry each, but everyone who puts a chat on now will be entered in. So make sure you guys say Happy New Year, something, anything. And you guys will be in the chat. And I will select one in about 5 minutes. Let me grab some whiskey and celebrate with y'all. And we're going to do the big giveaway. 11:30. All right, Pandas. Just put it here for now, all the rules. Just give me a second. All right, Pandas, make sure you put something in the chat. Here's to the new year. Opening a bottle of Eagle Rare. Pouring it in. 2024. I have a shot. I'll take a sip for every winner here. Pandas, what a year it has been. What a year has been. You guys got about 2 more minutes to put something in the chat to join the giveaway. Absolutely insane. You guys stuck around to the end. That was the actual trick. I wanted to see who would stick around to the end, and now we are here. The true Pandas. Cheers, everybody. You guys are amazing. You guys make streaming worth it. You guys have made this journey for myself. It's absolutely spectacular. It's a once in a lifetime thing for me. To me, the fact that I can do this journey with you guys, have you guys watching, have you guys enjoying, participating, it just makes this experience just something that a lot of people cannot have. And for that, I'm truly appreciative to you guys and ultimately to God. Pandas! Make sure you put something in the chat. We are about to choose our first winner here. So far, 42 entries. We have 42 entries here. I gotta make a small rule though. I gotta make a small rule because last time I did this, I realized some of you guys are like putting multiple entries in using multiple accounts. So I gotta make a rule here. 1 win per household, all right? I hope you guys are okay with that. One winner per household. And we're going to do this back to back to back, all right, pandas, because you guys have been waiting a long time for this. You guys have been waiting a long time for this. All right, pandas, here we go. Our first winner, here we go. I'm going to just put it in the chat. I'm not going to put it in the chat. I'm going to put it right here. In the middle of the freaking screen, right? Snap dab right in the middle so you guys can't miss it. First winner of the end of the year giveaway. To say thank you to all my pandas. You guys are amazing. The first winner is Charles Wilson. Charles Wilson, are you in the chat right now? The first winner is Charles Wilson. Absolutely amazing. Charles Wilson. Are you in the chat? You have about 1 more minute to respond here. Charles Wilson in the chat. Congratulations. Congratulations. How should I do this? How should I do this? Charles Wilson, first winner here. Congratulations. I think I gotta ask you to email me the password. First, you gotta tell me if you know the password, and I need you to email it to me so I know that you know it. I think that's the way I gotta do it. I don't know how else I'm supposed to do this. Because if one person says the password, everyone's going to know it. If you look at my channel, you can see my email. Let me grab it for you. I'll put it in the chat too. Charles Wilson, make sure you email me. He confirmed he knows the password. Put in the email what the password is, and then then you are eligible. How about this? How about I wait for the email so I can confirm this? This might take some time. But while we wait for the email, Charles, go ahead and shoot me an email with the password. And while we do that, while I'm waiting for that, we'll go for the next drawing. How about that? The next winner. The next winner is, get ready. Get ready, pandas. The next winner will be, dun 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 dun, Hugh. Hugh, you were not a believer, but Hugh has what I can't even say his whole. I've never said his whole name before, but today I'll say it to congratulate him. Hugh G. Rection. Congratulations. You are the winner of 100 Bambarooskies. I hope you know the password. I can't believe it. It's a long time coming. But Hugh has won. I think he's been in so many giveaways, and he's never won. That's huge, right? That's huge. That's huge. Shoot me the password as well. Charles Wilson has confirmed the password. Hugh, shoot me the password. And while we wait for his email, next drawing. We got 3 more drawings, pandas. We got 3 more drawings, pandas. You could be the lucky winner. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Goodness gracious. Actually, I'll put all the winners here. What a time to do the giveaway, because look at the current chart right now. Look at the price action. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. Pandas, are you ready for the next drawing? Charles Wilson, by the way, I do see your email. Hugh, make sure you drop me the email. I'll put the email in the pinned message. The pinned message is my email. How about I say this? Email me the PW at all right. Next one, pandas. Are you ready? Next winner. Let me do a drum roll. Let me do a drum roll. It might, I don't know how loud it's going to be. I don't think it's going to be that loud. The next winner is Bobby C. Bobby C. Bobby C. All right. I got it. I got it. Shoot me the email. Shoot me the password in the email. Shoot me the password in the email. Please don't send me any DPs, please. We got 2 more drawings left, pandas. We got 2 more drawings. You gotta shoot me the email. Shoot me an email. Hugh, I still haven't gotten your email. Maybe it went to spam or something. No, I don't see it in spam. Hugh, make sure you shoot me an email. Bobby C, make sure you shoot me an email with the password. Bobby C, let me confirm if you know the password or not. All right, you guys both sent it. All right. Looks good, looks good, looks good. You guys are amazing. All right. Let's continue. 2 more drawings left, pandas. And the next winner is, of the last trading day of 2024, what a year it's been, is Z-Boy. Z-Boy in the house. Z-Boy in the house. Can we get a Z-Boy in the house, please? Is there a Z-Boy? Oh, by the way, pandas, I have not been sipping my whiskey. Here we go. I got 4 sips in here. Ooh. That Eagle Rare's good. Z-Boy. Thank you, thank you. Make sure you email me the password. Email me the password. Z-Boy, do you know the password? You need to confirm if you know it. If you know it, make sure you email it to me. If you don't know it, then I'm sorry. Let's not waste anyone's time. I do. I love it. All right, Bandits. Make sure you email me the password so I can confirm. And Pandas, last drawing, 2024, has been a crazy year. But I promise you this, next year will be even better. Pandas, the last winner of the 2024 drawing, $500 giveaway, 5x $100 giveaway to my amazing Pandas, because you guys are the greatest, best community on YouTube verified. The final winner is... Whoo! Are you ready for this, Pandas? Are you ready? Mario Sleeton. Mario Sleeton. Mario Sleeton, are you in the house? This sounds like a bot. But Mario Sleeton, are you in the house? Mario Sleeton. Mario Sleeton. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Sleeton. Mario Sleeton, are you in the house? Z-Boy has also confirmed he knows the password. Mario Sleeton, I need to hear something from you. Mario, are you in the house right now? Mario Sleeton, are you in the house? Everyone is hoping he doesn't respond so they can have another chance. We'll give this guy one more minute here. One more minute here. Mario, I want to give it to you. You got to come back. You got to respond. You got to respond, Mario. Countdown. What should we give him to? 43. Let's give him to 43. 11:43. How about that? 11:43. Bottom right of your screen, you can see the time. Oh, you guys are mean. You guys are real mean. You guys, I don't care. We'll give him 30 seconds because I want mine. I want my bamboo. Mario Sleeton, are you in the house? You got 5 seconds to respond. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, you know what that means, Pandas. You know what that means, Pandas. You know what that means, Pandas. That means you got one more chance. Positive EV stream. Here we go. Winner is Petar Petrov. Why do I have all of these bot names right now? These are all like bot names. Petar Petrov, are you in the house? Petar Petrov. One second, one second. Give me a second here. Give me a second here. This last one I'm going to do manually. What's happening right now is that if you're not continuing to chat, it'll take you off the list. So I'm going to do this one manually because I want to give you guys all a chance. It just started to remove some of the people. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm sorry, Pandas. Give me a second here. What's going on? I want to give everyone a fair chance here. All right, we're going to choose a number 1 through 45 here. Random number generator. 1 through 45. That's how many entries we have. $44. The winner is Fat Fish. Is Fat Fish in the house? I'm sorry, I did that a little jankily, but I had to do that because it started removing people because you guys are not typing anymore. It only considers the last 15 minutes, and it just started to remove some of you guys. So Fat Fish, you are the winner from the random number generator, and you are the winner here. Fat Fish, congratulations. I'm assuming you know the password, but you need to confirm for me and shoot me an email. Everyone else has confirmed. I got yours. Charles was, I got yours. Bobby C's, Hugh, and Z-Boy. I have all of your passwords. You guys are all correct. The last winner is Fat Fish. This is a little bit janky. I think I need to change this. I don't like how this is set up. Fat Fish, you know the password? I'm assuming you do, but just confirm with me real quick. And also, you guys shoot me a password to confirm. Shoot me an email to confirm. But just let me know in the chat if you know it. If you do, we'll end it. You don't know it? No. Fat Fish, you don't know the password? Oh my gosh. Wait, Fat Fish, you for real don't know the password? Do you for real not know the password? Fat Fish. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, I'm sorry. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Can I give him the password for $50? That's a good deal. I gotta do a new winner. Fat Fish, I'm sorry. You need to know the password. I gave the password, during the whole stream. Kind of hurts. It's all good. We will do one more giveaway here. Are you ready, pandas? Are you ready for the last one? Here we go. I don't know if this person's in here, but his name is Sage House. Sage House. Are you in the chat? Sage House, are you in the chat? Sage House. I'm trying to get this last $100 away, and I cannot do it. Sage House, are you in the house? Fat Fish feels good just to win. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to be like an old-time viewer. I've said the password throughout the stream many times. Sage House. All right, we got to put a timer on these things. Here we go. Next one. Are you serious? The next winner is Crimson Demon. He is the winner. Crimson Demon, are you in the house? Crimson Demon, are you in the house? Crimson Demon. Crimson Demon, are you in the house? Crimson Demon, are you in the house? I'm sorry, I gotta give you like 1 minute to respond. Crimson Demon, please. I'm gonna go next one at 52. That sucks. That sucks. Crimson Demon, you need to be here though. If you're AFK during the stream, I had the password up for like solid 30, 40 minutes, you know, and I said it throughout the stream many times. Crimson Demon. I'm sorry, Crimson Demon. We're on a speed run here. Next one. I'm sorry, Crimson Demon. I'm sorry, Crimson Demon. Next one. 33. Gabe Paul. Gabe Paul. Is Gabe Paul in the house? Are we not going to find a winner today? Gabe Paul. See, that's the thing about the password. It really reduces the amount of people who are actually watching, right? Those who made it to the end here, stayed longer, knows the password, and scalp that like button. They did all the things a panda should. Gabe Paul, are you in the house? He's not in the chat. No, you email me the password. You email me the password. Amanda knows the password. I get it. I know you know the password, but you gotta win. You gotta win as well. Gabe Paul, we'll give you 30 more seconds. I mean, I'm trying to give this money away, but I can't because you guys are not here. Gabe Paul, not in the chat. I feel bad for Crimson Demon because he's a long-time follower. All right, we got 5 seconds left. Here we go. Next winner. G Effie. G Effie. G Effie. G Effie. Oh my gosh. G Effie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you are here. Congratulations. He knows the password. Let me take my final sip of whiskey here. Ooh, tastes good. Send me an email and let me get the email first. Send me the email. By the way, I can't say the password because uh, GFV has not given me the password yet. So we don't want to like give him any hints. But if he sends me the password within like a few seconds here, look in the pinned message if you want to know my email. Congratulations to all the winners. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys had an amazing year. Remember, tomorrow we won't be trading. We'll be back on Thursday. Back on Thursday to get some more bamboo. I'll see you guys bright and early. Thanks for joining. You guys have been great. What an amazing year. I'll see you guys bright and early Thursday. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you guys there. Printers! You guys are amazing. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.